Friends and comrades, my name is Andy Kerr, also known as Bhontshisi. Check me out on Facebook at Bhontshisi, that's Bhontshisi, or find me on Twitter, Instagram, the whole lot. Today I'm just over here in Umhlanga Rocks, of all places, and I'm walking the Hawaan Nature Reserve Trail. It's been closed, they've been doing maintenance on the bridge up until recently. It's one of my favorite walks in Durban. It's got inland walk, it's got swampland, it's got a ginormous sand dune, the whole lot, and you're right on the beach. It's pretty awesome, right by the lagoon. So I wanted to take you guys on a little bit of a journey and just give you a few clips, show you what the walk is like. So yeah, come with me, enjoy. Across this big ass bridge. Let me try not dropping my phone over here. Ooh, okay, they've just recently repaired this bridge, so I really hope it's gonna hold. Okay, we're nearing the end of the trail again. Down here is the Umhlanga estuary. Understand why I say this is one of my favorite places in Durbs. It's just I can always go here, you know, it doesn't cost any money to go. I'll go for a good walk, feel good, feel healthy, get some decent exercise, the whole lot. And it's just absolutely spectacular, just to be lost in your own thoughts. And you know, the fact that a place like this is in our backyard, you know, we've got all this. Here's the river, here's the beach this side. It's absolutely wonderful. So as Durbanites, I encourage you guys to go out there and look for whatever it is. You know, there's so many adventures to be found in your own backyard. It's absolutely fun. So this is part of my 2014 little strive for fun. Durban is my playground, so catch me if you can.